Wow. I've never had that before. That was intense. That was good. Thank you. I feel like my range of motion is like restored. Wonderful. Thank you. Thank you. I did not expect that to be as intense as it was. Yeah, that was good. I have to catch my breath on that one. Wow. It's even like kind of like a little throbbing from where like the pain was almost like the pain is like subsiding in a way. It just kind of feels like a yeah, that is good. Thank you.
Deep breath in. All the way out.
Definitely the one. That was definitely the one. I could cry. Thanks, Dr. Shalabi. I feel like I can breathe again. Like I'm not restricted or as compressed as I was. Yeah, that was definitely the one. Thank you.